up, y'all? It's Shae and I'm back with a brand new video. What's up, y'all? You're back with another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, you know the vibes. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can already tell by today's title, today we're gonna be doing a how to make money as a teen. I actually did this video on my channel a while ago. I think it was like 3 years ago, y'all. It was a while. It's been quite some time. It's bittersweet, but that video blew up. Let's go back and see how many views I got on that video. Got 367K. That video did really good on my channel and I got over 12K likes, so that's amazing. I figured I'd bring it back. Obviously this one is not gonna be a quarantine version, but it's gonna be a pretty much summertime kind of version and kind of put y'all on some ways that you can make money as a teen, or even like whatever age you're at. To be honest, you don't even have to be a teen, you can make money. Like, there's so many opportunities out there for us to make money now. You just gotta get up and take it, to be honest. So I'm gonna be putting out on all these ways. I personally use probably like 90% of those ways that I'm gonna tell y'all today. All of them are literally legit. It's enough food for everybody to eat, so it's only right that I put y'all on. I'm not the type to, like, you know, kind of like keep it all to myself because I don't want nobody. No, like, that's not me. Like, if anything, I'm gonna put the whole hood on because I want everybody to win. Like, I want everybody to be successful, so that's the reason why I'm doing this video today. So yeah, let's get into the real deal. So first things first, as you guys can already tell, I do YouTube, so that's really number one. YouTube is just such a easy way to make money, and let's just not only put YouTube, but let's just put social media, period, because I feel like I'm gonna cover quite a couple things with just YouTube. YouTube is like literally social media. You can make so much money off social media. TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, like all these social media platforms give you so many opportunities. Go out there and make money. Like, what are you waiting on? You know what I'm saying? It's just so many opportunities out there for us. I feel like you guys should definitely take it. For me, I mostly focus on YouTube. However, I also do content on TikTok and Instagram, which you can get you get amazing revenue from there. Also, I forgot to mention in the beginning of this video, disregard my nails. I'm missing quite a few. It's quite embarrassing. But like I said, like, there's just so many like ways. Like, you can have brand deals. YouTube pays you itself. I think there's also a sort of setup where Instagram also pays you. Like, I mean, anybody could get paid out here in these streets. So it's just all about you and when you want to start, to be honest. Like, that's just literally all it is about. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, when are you gonna get up and just get to doing what you need to do? It's so many opportunities for us out there. Like, if you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing, then that's just on you. You just got to get up and do what you got to do. Social media, you can make so much money on there. Like, I know people who make more money on social media than like in their real job, and this is serious. It's like, this is real, y'all. This is legit real. Number two that I want to talk about, Depop. So with Depop, and I think there's Poshmark, like, those are just kind of like websites and apps that you can use to pretty much sell your clothes, sell used clothes, sell so that you don't even need any more shoes, whatever it is. You can sell jewelry, everything. Like, you can literally sell everything on Depop and Poshmark. You just pretty much have to set up shipping, have to obviously put in like tax information and all that jazz. It's worth it because you can make so much money, and like with just clothes that you don't even use, that's just sitting in your closet, not like just picking up on dust, you know, you can use that to make money. So I highly recommend it because I personally have a Depop and the revenue is amazing on there, as well as ship fast, respond to people that are interested, make connections with other sellers, post constantly, promote yourself. Like, that's literally all it is, and money will come right to you. Another thing is to obviously start a business. This is kind of like cliche, but bro, the amount of businesses that blow up overnight, and not even overnight, as time goes by, like, you can make so much. You can make 7, 8, 9 figures just off a business alone. Obviously, some it takes time to grow, some people blow overnight, but it's like you can use the different tactics such as like social media to help boost your business. A lot of people, they think, okay, yeah, I'm starting off a business, boom, I'm good to go, I ain't gotta do nothing. No, like, you have to promote yourself, you have to put yourself out there. Like, you know, use these social media platforms that I mentioned on the first bracket or whatever to obviously like boost up your business, because obviously like I said, building a bit, like, that's hard. You know, having a business, running a business, shipping, like that is hard. But if you use your social media platform, or even if you don't have one, you build one slowly. Like posting content, posting random videos, posting consistently, people want to see that. But don't expect to never post and then like just have a fan base and just have people buying. Like, you know, it doesn't work like that. But a business is definitely something that can get you so much money. Another thing is babysitting and dog sitting jobs. Y'all, I did not expect that those jobs would make so much money, but they do. Babysitting and dog sitting, you probably get paid like, I don't even know, probably like almost $20 an hour, and that's good. And I think that for dog sitting, I think you get paid per dog, and I think it's like 30 per dog. I mean, I've seen a couple apps and like websites, they pay that much. And if you go in the right areas, go in the areas where there's elderly people that are able to do much, or like, you know, stuff like that, like you will make money. And on top of that, will tip you. They would like support you in whatever you do, which is so sweet. And you just make connections within that. So I highly recommend. I mean, like, don't be ashamed of like what you do. I feel like a lot of people think, oh, babysitting or dog sitting is like a bad job, or it's not the ideal job. But it's like, it's whatever. Like, everyone isn't built to be like an influencer. Everyone isn't supposed to be, you know, a business owner. Everyone isn't supposed to make 6 figures. Like, you know what I'm saying? I feel like a lot of us, we allow social media to kind of get in our heads and like build this image of us, of who we're supposed to be. But I mean, God didn't put us on this planet to all be alike, all be the same, all have the same goals, all have the same mindset. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, it's okay to be different. It's okay to have a different path. It's okay to have a job that pays less and later on in life have a job that pays so much more. You know what I'm saying? I feel like a lot of us just kind of like let social media get in our heads just way too much. And I just feel like it's okay with whatever job you have. It's just the beginning. You're starting. Like, don't get too ahead of yourself. You know what I'm saying? But oh, y'all, one top of the edges. Yup. Like I said, like, don't allow social media to get in your heads. Like, everybody got their own path and everyone has to go at their own pace. You know, like, I can blow up overnight, for example, but for you it might take time, or take more time, or take 2 weeks, and vice versa. You know what I'm saying? So don't allow social media to like fully get in your head on what you're supposed to do and what you're not supposed to do. Another way that you guys can also make money is by taking surveys. Yeah, believe it or not, this is kind of tricky though, I'm not gonna lie, because it's kind of hard to find those specific surveys that you can get money off of. But bro, there's so many out there. Like a lot of companies, they pay you to take surveys, they pay you to write the reviews for them and stuff like that. Like, they will pay, y'all. They will pay. It's amazing. Another thing is to be a hair influencer. Though this kind of connects to the whole social media thing that I spoke about in like the first bracket or whatever, but this one specifically is an influencer who just promotes like wigs and hair and stuff like that from different companies, and they pay you a lot. When I used to do hair, well, when I did my own hair a lot, as far as wigs, I would get companies to send me like 5-6 wigs a week, and I'd have to, you know, promote them. Obviously it can get overwhelming, but they will pay you. If I'm not mistaken, like the most a company has probably paid me was like probably like $400 just for a video. Like, not only you're getting a free wig, but you're getting paid to install the wig. Usually you'll be paying someone to install the wig for you. And a lot of people are like, oh, well, I don't know how to install a wig, blase, blase. Bro, you can learn. And the only way to learn is literally practicing. Like, the more you practice, you will get it, and like it'll just be so easy for you to install a wig. Like right now, I'm not trying to rag on it, but I'm a pro now at installing wigs. Like, it's crazy. So if you actually take the time to, you know, like practice and take these wigs and get started, literally, like, you will get like so many companies reaching out to you. They will be willing to pay. TikTok, YouTube, whatever you post on Instagram, they will be willing to pay. And a lot of people are probably wondering, well, how do I start that? My advice is to first purchase a wig, invest in yourself, purchase a wig, do an in-depth tutorial on it, post it on all your platforms, use good hashtags, share it multiple times, promote yourself, and eventually the companies will come. Some people think, oh, well, I'm waiting on a wig. No, don't wait on a wig, because no one has no videos. They have nothing to see what you, like, they don't see your work. They don't see nothing that's going on. You know what I'm saying? It's like saying I want to promote clothes for a brand, but I have no outfit pictures, no nothing on my Instagram or nothing. No, you have something. You gotta have something for the brand to work with. They gotta be like willing to work with you. They gotta see what you've done before, how they want their stuff to be promoted. Like, they gotta see that kind of stuff. So if you show them, bro, they will reach out. Another way is to be a graphic designer. So when I say graphic designer, I mean people who make like flyers and people who make like intros and outros. Though it's kind of like, it's kind of the same thing. yeah, kind of the same thing a little bit. So pretty much those kind of people, I'm not sure if they call them graphic designers though, but it's kind of in that field. So those kind of people, they pretty much get paid to like make a flyer, like party flyers, baby shower flyers, like whatever you need, they will make a flyer for you. And usually people charge up to like $75 to $100 for a flyer, depending on how like extra whatever graphics you want on it. But the least you'll probably get paid for a flyer is like $25, and those flyers take probably like 30 minutes, and it's just super quick. Obviously you get faster, so it'll probably take you less time depending on how good you are with graphics. And Canva is your best friend. That is literally your go-to app. It literally does the graphic for you, and someone is paying you to get it. Like, it's literally so easy. Like, there's so many ways out here to make money, y'all. You just gotta get up and do it. You know what I'm saying? And then as far as the intros and the outros, a lot of YouTubers, they always want new intros, they always want new outros, and some people even also want like editors and stuff to edit their YouTube channel. As for me right now, I'm actually looking for an editor, so I'm willing to pay someone literally to edit my videos, which I'm still debating if I want to do that, because I actually do genuinely enjoy editing my own videos. However, I've kind of been running out of time as I have so many other things going on for myself right now, and especially the summer and these couple weeks that are coming up. So I'm still debating about that. However, I kind of am looking for an editor just in case like I need help as far as something, you know what I'm saying? But yo, YouTubers are gonna hire you. They're gonna hire people like that because they need people like that, you know what I'm saying? So it's just so many jobs out there for you guys to make money, and just go for it, to be honest, y'all. You guys, another way to make money that is absolutely amazing, like if you're literally talented as far as like art and stuff like that, you can actually sell your drawings. I literally never knew this, but you can literally sell your drawings on like websites, meaning like Etsy and stuff like that. Like you can literally sell your drawings and everything that like you do. People will buy that. They will hang it up in their houses, canvas. Like my uncle, he's actually he actually paints. He actually has a job outside of painting, but he also paints, and he also sells his paintings. Literally, like it takes him like couple hours to make the painting because he's like literally so fast, but you can sell these things and make so much money. And then another thing is baking and cooking. You can literally make an Instagram page and just cook and bake or whatever you do. You can make cakes, you can make like candied grapes. Like I know I'm always craving those things, and I'm willing to pay whoever and whatever to get some damn candied grapes because I've been wanting some, and I don't think nobody in my area really does those things. So I need to find someone because I've been craving. Anyways, so yeah, y'all, I literally like, you can make so many things. Like you can make cake, you can actually cook if you actually like really know how to cook. Just promote yourself. Like that's really the main thing. There's so many ways to make money. You just gotta start. Alrighty, y'all, so that's it for today's video and how I make money as a teen. Most of these ways I actually personally have tried them before, and let me tell y'all, the moolah comes in, honey. Okay, so just get started, y'all. Like I said, it's totally at your own pace, whatever you're comfortable with doing. Don't allow anyone to get in your head about anything, especially not social media. Let me know if you guys have any other questions, and let me know if you guys want me to do a part like 4. I think I did like 2 or 3 of these before, but I think this is my 3rd one. So let me know if you guys want part 4 with so many other different ways to make money as a teen. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also make sure to follow me on all my social medias. They will be on the screen and also down in the description box. So yeah, that's it, y'all. See y'all on the next one. Bye, y'all. Peace.